Let me show you how you can quickly resolve this compound fraction into partial fractions using cover-up method. First of all, you should make sure that the factors here are all linear and they are not repeated, and the whole fraction should be proper fraction. So because they are linear, to the top you're going to get a constant. I'm going to leave it. The bottom you have x plus 1, right? Then plus something. I don't have to write plus because it could be minus as well. The factor is what? X minus 2. So how can we find the values here and here? Let's start with this one. You can see the bottom we have x plus 1. So what you should think of is a number that can make the whole of this to be 0. That is a value of x. If x is minus 1, definitely this will be 0. So use that minus 1. Plug it here. 2 times minus 1 will give us what? Minus 2. You see that? Divide by. Plug that minus 1 here. Not here, because we use this one to find the minus 1. So use it here. Minus 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3. So eventually you can see the minus will cancel. Then you go to the other one. What can make this one 0? Plus 2. So use that plus 2 here. 2 times 2 is 4. Divide by. Then at the bottom, you should plug in that 2 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. So you see that this is plus. You simplify. You know you can drop this down. You can also drop this down. So finally you have 2 divided by 3 multiplied by x plus 1. Then plus 4 divided by 3 multiplied by x minus 2. This is cover-up method. As simple as that.